Gmail on Android adds Google Drive tool, RTL language support. Google this week rolled out some updates to Gmail on Android, including the ability to save attachments directly to Google Drive for easy access from smartphones, tablets, and computers. The internet giant said Monday in a Google Plus post that the new features for Gmail on Android will be rolling out over the next few days for current users of the email client. You can also download the updated version of Gmail on Android in the Google Play Store. In addition to the option to save email attachments to Google Drive, Gmail on Android is adding an improved layout and smoother right-to-left RTL navigation for languages like Arabic, Hebrew, Persian that are written right-to-left. If you're a speaker of one of these languages, Gmail on Android now looks and feels the way you'd expect with profile pictures and the navigation menu on the right instead of the left, Google said. Another addition to the Gmail app for Android devices is a note at the top of all messages marked as spam, explaining how Google's filters determined the email in question was junk mail. Finally, the Gmail on Android update also offers faster access to the side navigation menu, according to Google. It's easier to get wherever you need to go in the app, the company said. While reading messages, you can now swipe from the left edge or right edge for RTL languages to quickly access your accounts and labels. You'll also find settings, help, and feedback in the side menu. Other improvements Google has made to Gmail on Android in recent months include last spring's major organizational overhaul to the email app and an updated conversation view rolled out in November. Meanwhile, the company announced last week that the number of installations of the Gmail app on Android devices has topped 1 billion.